Let's learn to make رز بشعرية, which is Lebanese vermicelli rice. To make perfect rice, you don't need a rice cooker. All you need is the 1.5 ratio and a timer. You can find this vermicelli in most Middle Eastern grocery stores, and it's like a fine pasta. And whenever I make rice, I always measure it out using cups. It just saves you the trouble of getting it wrong. So here I have half a cup of vermicelli, and I'm going to add a little drop of vegetable oil, so probably about 1 tablespoon. We're going to toast the vermicelli first so it develops a nice golden color. Don't take your eye off it as it can burn very quickly. The more you toast it, the darker it will be at the end. Okay, so we've got a nice golden color going now, and I'm going to add the rice, which I've washed and drained beforehand. I have here 1.5 cups of basmati rice. That's usually my favorite rice to use because it separates beautifully. And I'm also going to toast the rice with the vermicelli for a few more minutes before I add the boiling water. Oh, and of course, don't forget to add a little salt. About 1/4 teaspoon will do nicely. So you will treat the vermicelli as you do the rice, and the ratio of rice to water is 1 to 1.5. So for every 1 cup of rice, you're going to have 1.5 cups of water. So if I have 2 cups in total of vermicelli and rice, I'm going to need about 3 cups of water. Okay, now, so we're going to give the water a little boil. When it comes to the boil, I'm going to count exactly 15 minutes. I'm going to put the lid on and put it on the lowest heat on the small hob. And there you go, perfect vermicelli rice. If you follow all the rules, you literally can't go wrong. Sometimes I just eat this with yogurt, it's that good. Go to zaterandzaytoon.com for more fabulous recipes, and I'll see you soon.